Hello and welcome to SoftechOnline. In today's video, we'll be discussing the latest update from WhatsApp that allows users to use the same account on up to 4 different devices. WhatsApp has finally introduced a long-awaited feature that allows users to access their account on multiple devices. This means that you can now use the same WhatsApp account on up to 4 different devices, including smartphones, tablets, and desktops. To set up this feature, all you need to do is scan a QR code on your primary device, and you're good to go. This makes it much more convenient for those who frequently switch between devices or have a work phone and a personal phone. However, some users have expressed concerns about the privacy implications of this new feature. With the ability to use the same account on multiple devices, some worry that their messages may be more vulnerable to interception or hacking. WhatsApp has addressed these concerns by stating that messages will still be end-to-end encrypted and that each device linked to the account will have its unique identity key. This means that your messages will remain secure and private. Overall, this new multi-device feature is an exciting addition to WhatsApp's already impressive set of features. It will make it easier for users to stay connected and switch between devices. While some users may have concerns about privacy, WhatsApp has taken steps to address these concerns, and users can still choose not to use this feature if they wish. That's all for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to SoftechOnline for more tech news and updates. Thanks for watching.